Hey guys, good morning. I did want to take a little moment just to go into Dogecoin and talk about Elon Musk and Dogecoin, and how I do think that he's losing a little bit of, well, not losing, he's lost power talking about cryptocurrency. I've been noticing. I was actually gonna be putting in, or I probably will be putting in the chart of mixing in his tweets with the most recent jumps and highs of Dogecoin compared to when he first started pumping the coin. I think that Elon Musk is not, I don't want to say credible, but just I don't think his tweets are going to be helping out Dogecoin anymore. So if you guys are in Dogecoin, or if you guys are reliant on Elon Musk pumping Dogecoin, or having Elon Musk shoot it up to $1, I think those days are over, to be honest. I don't think his tweets are going to be helping out. I think the credibility for Elon Musk with Doggy is not there anymore. And I do think that as of now, all the growth from Doggy is going to be organic. So if you guys do see it jump up back to like 70 cents, it's going to be all organic, and it's going to be an actual organic jump. Basically like every other what is it called? Like every other altcoin, basically, right? So I do think now I actually support Dogecoin again, going back up. I mean, I would hope it goes to $1, right? I don't have it many position. I don't have a position in Dogecoin yet, right? I'm still waiting for the end of July, for confirmation. I think we still trade sideways. If not sideways, then down. I really doubt that all crypto is going to jump. We're going to have a huge jump back up to the upside. I'm still bearish unless July 31st tells me otherwise. End up closing bearish for all of crypto for July 31st, then I think there's like a 95% chance Bitcoin's going to go back to like 20K, and everything else is going to follow it. I do think, whenever we do see these lows, right? Whenever we do see lows in Dogecoin, or just really anywhere. I mean, we created the initial low of like 14 cents over here, back in, what is this, April 22nd. I do think that there's a chance we might retest that. But again, you guys know that I still think there's a chance that we might go back to 5 cents, 7 cents, around that area. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here. I want to let you guys know that I think, as of now, I think I will maybe start supporting Dogecoin again, just because Elon Musk tweets don't pump it anymore, right? At least not as much as before. I mean, Elon Musk can tweet like right here, and it would jump up to like 27 cents and then dump right away, right? Like it just doesn't work anymore. I don't think Elon Musk pumping Dogecoin is gonna have as big as an effect as it did before. Um, so I will not be adding a position right now. Like I said, I would only add a position in Doggy if it's down to like 5 cents or 7 cents, if it drops that low. Um, but again, I think that Elon Musk tweets don't really pump Dogecoin anymore. I don't think it's gonna have the same effect. I don't think his tweets are gonna have the same effect around the overall on crypto. And I think as of now, I finally made that decision where I've been looking at all the data, all the historical stuff that's been going on, and I think moving forward, I think Doggy's pretty solid. Now I like it because Elon Musk isn't like pumping it and shit, whatever, right? I like organic growth. I don't like when one person is tweeting and then you have like fucking run ups like this. It's not gonna last, right? That can't, you can't have one person be in charge of the sole movement and growth of a thing, right? Um, it has to be a cumulative. What is it? What is it? A cumulative? Is that the word? It has to be a lot of people, right? The growth has to come from like an organic circle, basically. Not even the Dogecoin sub from Reddit. That thing's like a fucking cult, dude. I hate the Dogecoin subreddit. But yeah, Dogecoin, still like it. I hated it once Elon Musk started pumping it, and I think I might start growing my position a lot more. But again, I would only think about growing it back at like 5 6 cents. Um, I'll see you guys later.